Hello, JVLA 2.0 teachers. In this third section of your VoiceThread tutorial, I will walk you through how to register for your VoiceThread account and how to create your first VoiceThread. So let's begin. You'll want to start by going to www.voicethread.com. At that point, you'll see this home page here. You'll want to go to Register. When you register, this will take you to this page, Register for a New Account. So you'll want to type in your name, first and last name, your email, which can be your personal email, or you can choose to use your jvla.org email. I'm using my personal one because I already have a JVLA VoiceThread account. I'll re-enter my email. Create a secure and safe password. And then, just because they want to be sure that you are not a robot or a machine, type in the words on the screen. And then click Register. I've just created my free VoiceThread account. As you can see as the page is loading, this is what you'll see the first time you log in. As you can see, there's a section for browsing. So here you'll find already created VoiceThreads as well as a series of tutorials. You'll see a tab that says Create, which is where you will be able to create your own VoiceThreads. And then a tab that says My Voice, which will show the VoiceThreads that you've created once you've made them. You'll also see here on the right-hand side your account info, your identities, groups and contacts, and to be able to sign out. You'll also see a little icon here. It may be different for you. In my case, it's a dice. And this simply, again, allows me to access my account, my identities, groups, and contacts. And when I change my picture, my photo, this is where my personal picture will show up here. So let's begin by taking a look at how to create your first VoiceThread. It's really quite simple. You'll start by looking at the number 1, Upload. You can upload pictures, video, files, etc. from your computer, media sources, from a website, or from a webcam. We're going to start with the most basic and select files from my computer. So as you can see, my computer, my documents files show up, and I'm going to go to my documents, and I have my VoiceThread sample folder created, and I have a series of pictures here. So I'm simply going to control and select all of the pictures that I want to include in my VoiceThread, and then I'm going to select Open. Now, you may wish, if you have a PowerPoint presentation, to upload the PowerPoint. However, VoiceThread has a couple of quirks where if you do this, the PowerPoint won't exactly scale right sometimes, or the graphs may be vertical versus horizontal or horizontal versus vertical. So what you'll want to do if you have a PowerPoint presentation that you'd like to upload is save the PowerPoint presentation as separate JPEG files, as separate picture files, and then Control select all of those pictures and upload them to the VoiceThread. So now that you see all of my pictures that have been uploaded to my VoiceThread, I'll want to add a title and a description, and in this case I'll just title it Spring Flowers. Description, we can just say a presentation on my flower garden. And I won't add any tags for now, but tags allow your group or your students to search for VoiceThreads, which might be helpful once you have a series of VoiceThreads for a specific class. So I'll save my title and my description, and then I can comment and here So now, since I'm new, it's asking me to add a picture to my identity. I can upload a picture from my files, or I can just say that I'll do it later. And since I'll do it later, my little dice is what remains. And you can see that my name pops up as Jasmine, and it would do the same for you. So now that I have my VoiceThread pictures uploaded, I can comment either by using the telephone, using my webcam, I can record my voice, or I can type my comment. And as you can see here, I can type my comment and say, "This is the first flower of my garden." And then I can save. And then I would move on through this process, adding my original and initial comments to each one of the slides in my VoiceThread. Once I've done that and added any annotations that I want, I can simply share my VoiceThread with my students or with a group. I can simply get the link and I can copy it and allow anyone to view or comment. Those are settings that you can choose. If you don't want your students to comment and you just want them to view, then I would deselect the comment. And you can do that by looking at your publishing options. So publishing options is important depending on how you wish your students to view the VoiceThread. You can allow anyone to view, you can allow anyone to comment, or you can just allow anyone to view. It would be your choice. And then I can save. I can get the link, as I mentioned before, copy the link. It'll tell me that my link has been copied, and I can paste it or hyperlink it to something on my Moodle course site. You can also wish to embed it, which then you would copy it, right? And then you can embed it to an activity page, a website, or a book, etc. on your course Moodle site. You'll also notice earlier that moderate comments. This will happen once there have been comments that are posted, and you're able to hide or view comments later. So this is just your initial tutorial to how to set up your VoiceThread account and how to create your first VoiceThread. As you see now, in my voice, I now have the VoiceThread that I just created. And there it is. So that is your initial tutorial on setting up your VoiceThread account and creating a VoiceThread.